everyone, I am here at the Diplomat Beach Resort, and today I'll be giving you guys a tour of the ocean view room. Let's get started. So to your right is going to be the bathroom. And to the left of the bathroom is a bathtub with little windows that you can open and close. You have a big mirror with the sink and the towels. Then over here, if you open the door, here is the bathroom. Pretty spacious room. And then over here is the shower, which is a pretty decent room as well. So this is the bathroom for the ocean view room in the Diplomat Beach Resort. Moving on, we're gonna go to the main area. To your right is gonna be a closet. And then to the top is gonna be a safe. And then you're gonna have your hangers and the ironing board inside. Pretty spacious room. And then once we close the door, we're gonna be to the main area. To the left is the thermostat. Then to the right are the two double beds for the ocean view room. Then to your right, you're gonna have the little open window. You can open and close it, depending how you like it. And then at the top is the lights. And on the bottom, you have a reading light if you wish to read at night. And then moving on, down here is a little drawer for storage and additional drawer for storage. Then you have a TV. And then there's a view of the two double beds. Then over here you have an espresso machine for coffee in the morning. And right here, it looks like it's a mini fridge. Does not have anything in there. And then you have a big mirror from the top to bottom. And then to your right, there's a little couch next to the two beds. And the best part of this room, if you do tend to book it, is you get the nice view of the ocean. So let's take a look. And this is the view for the room. And down below is the pool. And this is room number 2765. If you guys found this video helpful and useful, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button to help the channel out. See you guys in the next video.